Hello guys, this is my second live trade, okay, that I have done. It is documented. It means you say it's just past trades and you just buy here, sell here. No, this is a live trade. What does it mean? It means when I buy and I put stop loss, and I will show you where. And then next week, the other week, until I exit the trade, I will show you each week what I have done. Should I change the stop loss to exit point? Yes or no? When I exit in general, okay? All this is documented. It means you can just go there to my golden subscription. You can watch them video by video, as we have seen the other one, which is 30 videos. This is have less because this trade is not very long. Okay, so let's go to the chart and I show you this trade, and I will just show you to have an idea. Okay, most of you, I know, you know Twitter, okay, and Twitter, I follow it when it was an IPO, just the beginning, okay, and I did a lot of videos about Twitter. If you go to my channel and you write Twitter, okay, in my channel, you will find from the beginning when it was an IPO until now, you will find a lot of videos. It's like Facebook, okay. So this is how to buy from the support line. This is training level 13 that I am teaching, and this is how to do it, okay. So I buy from the support line. It means where the stock is going down, okay, and then my exit was to go in the when I have the gap up. And you are telling me, for example, why you exit the gap up, and you always tell us not to sell because the trend is going up. Now, for me, I have this this what we call the technique to sell after a gap up. Okay, sometimes I sell everything, sometimes I sell half, sometimes I don't sell, and I put a stop loss. Now I will just try to explain this trade, okay, and I was very successful. You can find it live, and it could be from, what is it here, 27 July to 26 October. So here July, July, so August, October, November, December. So, and this here, it is only October. So it is from 1 month, like August and October. It means it's 2 months, because July 2027, and then we have August 27, and then we have September 27, so 2 months, and then October, let's say October 26, so 3 months. So this is different from the other trade, okay. The other trade I have done, I have stayed long, 6 months and 2 weeks, but this is only 3 months. It doesn't matter for me how long to stay. The matter for me is the most important thing is how much you get, okay. So I bought it here in the down, okay, in the support line here, and the other stuff. So I will show you in my training the techniques that I have used in order to get this kind of stocks. And then the exit is very simple. When there is a gap up, I exit, okay. So it's because of many reasons, okay. So for this trade, I will just, in my next video, I will show you that buying the stock from what we call support line is extremely difficult. That's why when I put how to buy from support line, it's training level 13. Why I put it like 13 is just because it is for advanced students. It's not for beginners. Beginners, you should begin like from the resistor line, and all my training from training level 1 to training level 10 is all about resistor line. It means when the stock is going up. But when the stock goes down and you want to buy it, this is more difficult. It needs from you experience, patience, and you should know the stock, because knowing the stock is one key to make money from stocks. That's why for me, I have stocks that I follow for many years. Facebook, Twitter, Apple, I always in them. Whenever there is a trend, I am in them. That's why when I teach you something, okay, it is something that it is real, that you should follow, understand who are the people there in this stock and how do they behave, okay? And if you go to my, for example, Facebook, it's from 2012, from the IPO, and I'm following it. When it was, let's say when the stock was 1755, and then the next day goes to 1999, I bought it and I made a video. But at that time, few people are following me, so they don't buy at that time. But the stock, you see how much it goes here. So in my next video, I will show you why buying from support line is so difficult. I will give you the reasons. At least you will understand that it is for advanced students. You can do that also as a training. You can take a training level 13, or you take my subscription, golden subscription, and you do this training, okay? So let's go and see how it's difficult to buy from support line.